Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's granite in color, has 18-inch wheels and tires. It's got black cloth interior. It has the 8.4 screen, has the center console. It's a one-owner car, clean Carfax, seating for 5. This one is brand new in the wrapper. 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. It even has a factory trailer hitch on the back. It also has a backup camera. You will not find another car like this. This also has a power driver's seat with power lumbar. It also has navigation, Bluetooth for your cell phone. This car will not last. You have to call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins. It's a new year and my prices are beyond insane.